This is the M416, a testament to time's relentless embrace.
Decades of exposure have etched their story into every surface. Every crack, every seam holds the Earth's memory.
The heart of the rifle, seized by oxidation.
A fading skin, exposing raw vulnerability. Once precise, now an uneven landscape. The grip, once firm, now a testament to exposure.
A vital mechanism, choked by accumulation.
Every speck, a whisper of neglect.
Its identity, slowly erased by time. Guidance, now obscured by degradation.
A vital entry, now choked with sediment.
A daunting challenge, a hidden potential.
The journey begins now.
Every component has its place and its purpose.
The first layer, revealing deeper challenges.
Extracting the engine, burdened by rust. Another piece, slowly detaching.
The intricate mechanism, suffocated by buildup. Years of immobility, yielding grudgingly.
Releasing the tension, revealing core components. Small but crucial, unlocking the firing mechanism.
Exposing the heart of the action, fouled by time.
The rifle reduced to its essence, ready for renewal.
Harnessing chemistry to reclaim metal from corrosion. Witnessing the silent work of restoration.
Preparing the next stage of purification.
Tiny parts, ready for a deep cleanse. So,
Unseen forces, dislodging stubborn grime.
Washing away the past, revealing true form. The unadorned truth of the metal.
Preparing for the next stage, ensuring purity.
A thorough examination, leaving no flaw unnoticed.
The final touches of deep cleaning.
Sealing the metal, preserving its newfound integrity.
From grime to glimmer, ready for reassembly. The engine's heart, meticulously renewed. a foundation restored to its original state. The inner sanctum wiped clean of history. The core now sterile and awaiting rebirth. Each piece a jewel waiting for its place.
Ensuring smooth operation of vital lubrication.
Bringing out the inherent luster of the metal.
Every detail considered before transformation begins.
Preparing for precision, recreating functionality.
The dance of metal, removing imperfections.
Each pass, a stroke of renewed precision. From damaged to defined, a perfect geometry.
The heart of precision, pristine, and ready.
A perfect bore, promising unmatched accuracy. Ha!
The fusion of components, a harmonious fit.
Securing the foundation with calibrated force.
Fine-tuning the system, ensuring reliability.
A small pin holding critical pressure.
A new skin, perfectly embracing the assembly.
Rebuilding the heart with renewed purpose. Every spring, every lever, finding its exact position.
Locking the mechanism for a flawless action.
Verifying the core function before external closure.
Re-establishing recoil management with renewed spring.
A comfortable grip, perfectly integrated. The rifle reforms, a singular entity.
Locking the structure with firm resolve.
The core returns, ready for action.
Perfecting the pull to a hair trigger feel. Feeling the precision, a refined interface. Ensuring every movement is flawless and responsive.
A phoenix reborn, awaiting its final plumage.
Ensuring a perfect canvas for the final coating.
A sterile environment for a flawless finish.
The rifle's new skin, a muted desert hue.
Building the layers for ultimate durability.
Adding depth with strategic dark accents.
Solidifying the finish through controlled heat. The surface perfected, every detail immaculate.
Adding modern optics for superior targeting.
Muting the roar with sophisticated design.
Tailoring the fit for optimal comfort.
Sealing the system, ready for operation.
Providing carry with quick detach convenience.
The transformation complete, a masterpiece reclaimed.
A tangible sense of accomplishment, hard won.
The moment of truth. The culmination of effort.
Unleashing its power, a perfect synergy.
A golden arc, marking each powerful discharge.
The M416, fully restored, ready for a new chapter.